If the YouTube app on your LG Smart TV is not opening at all, or for some reasons it is unnecessarily slow whenever you try to navigate through the YouTube app, or it is just having some error messages that does not allow you to use the TV, then in this particular video I'm going to be showing you some solutions that will help you fix the issue of YouTube not working properly on your LG Smart TV. Now trust me, either one of the solutions I am going to offer in this particular video will definitely fix the issue for you. And for the first solution, you want to go ahead and hard reset your LG Smart TV. So basically, you want to go ahead and turn off the TV. So just go ahead and press the power button on your remote control to turn it off, or you can just use the power button just below the LG logo over here. And then just go ahead and turn off the TV, just like so. Now, once the TV is turned on, you want to go ahead and unplug it from the wall socket. And after unplugging from the wall socket, you want to go ahead and look for the power button that is usually below the LG logo over here on your LG Smart TVs. Now, depending on the model of LG Smart TV you're using, you're most likely going to find the button on the right hand side or on the left hand side of your LG TV. Now, go ahead and long press on that particular button for about 5 seconds. So press and hold for 5 seconds, and basically what this will do is that it will automatically reset and restart your LG Smart TV, so that if there's any power surge on the TV, it will fix that issue for you. Now, after pressing for about 5 seconds, you want to go back and plug your LG Smart TV back to the power source, and then you want to go ahead and turn on the TV now. Now, what we have just done is to basically restart the TV, and trust me, this will most likely fix the issue of YouTube not working on your LG Smart TV. But if that does not work out for you, another thing you want to try doing is to go ahead and delete and then reinstall the YouTube app into your LG Smart TV. Now, what this means is that you're basically deleting the older version of the YouTube app and then reinstalling the newer version if there is actually a newer version or update that has been done to the YouTube app. So to delete the YouTube app, you want to use your remote control and then just navigate to the YouTube app just like so. And then you want to go ahead and long press on the select button just like so, and then scroll over to the top where you have the delete icon over there, and then click on OK, and then click on yes, and now the YouTube app will be deleted from your LG Smart TV. Now what you want to do is to go ahead and press on the home button again, scroll over to the LG App Store where we have apps over here, click on it, and from the LG App Store you want to scroll over to the top and then go ahead and search for YouTube from the top search bar over here, and then download and install this present version of the YouTube app into your LG Smart TV. Once it is installed, you want to go ahead and click on the launch button to open it up directly from here. And as you can see, the YouTube app runs smoothly on my LG Smart TV. The final solution you want to try to fix the issue of YouTube not working on your LG Smart TV is to basically just go ahead and update the system or firmware of your LG Smart TV. Now, sometimes if the firmware of your LG Smart TV is older, then the current YouTube app may not actually be compatible with the older firmware or software of your LG Smart TV. So basically, to update your software or firmware, you want to come over to the home of your LG Smart TV, then go ahead and press on the settings button on your remote control, or you can just scroll over to this settings icon at the top right corner of the TV over here. So go ahead and press on this settings icon. Now from the settings over here, you want to scroll down until you get to all settings over here. Click on all settings, and then you want to scroll down until you get to support over here. Click on support. Now scroll over to the right hand side and then click on software update just like so, and then click on auto update, and then scroll down and click on check for updates. Now what this does is that it automatically checks if there is actually any updates available for your LG Smart TV, and if there is any updates, you want to go ahead and update your LG Smart TV. Currently, you can see that there is absolutely no update, so my LG Smart TV is up to date, and that is why the YouTube app actually works. So go ahead and make sure that your LG Smart TV is up to date, and then try running the YouTube app again on your LG Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.